In this video we will see working of Gemini Veo 3.1 and we will also check details of Veo 3.1 generated videos. Open Gemini in your mobile and then choose option of create video. Here you can see, tap on this option and enter your prompt for video. Our video is ready. Now check quality and details. Now I am making some changes in this video. I am typing prompt for change. I want to change this green field into ice and then see how Gemini 3.1 model will work. Our video is ready and looking very cool. Now I want to some change in camera view. I am typing drone shot view angle for next video. Our theme will be same. This video is also ready. Now check out. Now I will change this video background by uploading a image for reference. Click on plus icon and choose gallery option. Click on agree and select your particular photo for background. This is the image for video background. Now I am typing prompt. As we have seen previously generated video by Veo 3.1, all video quality and audio quality is very amazing. Veo 3.1 is working on details of audio and video. Now wait for some seconds. Our video is generated. You can see we are working on same prompt theme. Starting was from green grass field to this image background. Now check out this video. I am downloading this video.
Thanks to Gemini for this wonderful feature.